Good day and welcome Indian friends. In today's vlog natin, we are at Rojas City, Capiz. For our staycation, in one night, we will be staying at Casita Juan. Casita Juan is located at Baybay Rojas City, Capiz. Ito guys, yung location nito. Ayan, yung Casita Juan. At tara, papasok tayo at titingnan natin ang nasa loob ng Casita Juan. Look at the place guys. Makita natin is an old wooden house. Kung titingnan natin simple lang. Ayan. So, we have to find out what's inside. Ayan. The place is very welcoming guys. You can tell na maaamoy natin yung scent ng baybayin. At maririnig natin dito yung sound ng mga waves. Yan, so pasukin pa natin at makikita natin doon sa dulo mayroon itong porch. Ayan, so makita natin yan. At nakaharap tayo guys sa small island. So yung porch with table and chairs facing the ocean. Yun guys. So makita natin ang ganda ng location ng Casita Juan. So if you want to visit Rojas Capiz, pwede kayo ditong tumuloy. Ayan guys yung isla. At yun, the air is always fresh. Makita natin, no? We can hear the sound ng waves. Ang rhythm of waves. At dito, pwede tayo makapag-breakfast. Makapag-relax. Ayan guys. So, pasukin natin. And pag tinignan natin overall, it's an old wooden house near the shore or near the sea. Makita natin no, na relaxing yung place. So, papasok tayo dito sa loob para tingnan natin ang rooms. Okay. So, dito sa ilalim, ayan, mayroon dalawang room. Yung room 1 at room 2. So, yung room assignment natin na binigay sa atin is room 2. So, papasok tayo dito sa loob sa may room 2. Ayan, relaxing yung place. Paglabas mo ng room, pwede kang makaupo at makapag-relax. So, what's inside the room? So, makita natin, pagpasok natin, na ang room is, yan, aloof room. Nakita natin guys. Ayan, ang ganda ng disenyo. So, ang room na to, which is a loft room, ideal siya guys for a small family vacation or a group of friends. Ayan. Mayroon sa bed sa ibaba, mayroon bed sa itaas. Tinawag itong loft room. Ang ganda ng disenyo. So, tingnan natin dito sa taas, guys.
So it's like the Great Flood bumping buildings. There's a nice room. Papa, actually I need flashlight. So I need to take a
At dito guys, may mga antigong bagay silang naitabi like this one, no? Yung bisikleta na to, minsan na lang natin makikita ito nung may carrier. Yan, ito yung brand niya, oh, RE16. Yan, ang ganda nito, no? Ito pa yung pang lumang bisikleta guys. Ayan. So at dito sa kabila guys, naitabi nila itong isa pang type ng scooter. Lumang scooter. Pakita natin no na antigo ito. Yan model. Yung model niya is Piaggio. Piaggio. So brand. Ayan, ganda ng kanyang disenyo. Lumang-luma talaga. Lumang scooter. At ang kanyang brand is Vespa. Ayan. So, marami pala dito guys na mga malumang gamit na naitabi. Ito pa, yung lumang upuan. Yan. So, ibang klaseng disenyo ito guys. Kala mo madaling magiba. At ito pa yung isa, yung lumang makina. Singer, yun yung takip nito guys. Oh. Kaya nga, na antigo ito sa takip pa lang makita natin. Yan, manual. Oh, Singer ang brand. Then another guys, ito pa, made of wood, yung rocking horse. Ayan. Nakita mo na antigo din. Another is to luma din, cash register. At dito pa sa kabila, ito, ganda ng pagkaugit. Made of wood din siya guys. Yan, naanay na no. Pero ang ganda ng kanyang disenyo. Yan guys. At ito guys yung pinaka-highlight. Wala aswang sa Capiz. So when you visit Rojas Capiz, stay at Casita 1. The place is warm and nostalgic. The air is always fresh, carrying the calming rhythm of waves. Ang place is being decorated by seashells. Casita 1 at Bye Bye Street ang location. Thanks for watching. Incan Friends.